Okay, so what happened was real tea, all the juice. Today, I am going to be doing a photo shoot for The Knot. For me to be on the cover of The Knot, it's like a little girl's dream come true. It's like, is this real? Is this really happening? I've gotten this question a lot. Will you be doing your own makeup on your big wedding day? And the answer is, of course, yes. Nobody can touch these brows like I do, so it's all gonna be me. Dylan is such a loving, caring person. My coming out was, I think, one of the most scary moments of my life. Dylan was everything I hoped he would be for me in that period because he was super, super supportive. I was like, this man is never leaving me, and I'm never leaving this man. That's my person. He is mine for the end of time. A traditional wedding element I'm ditching. It's gonna be a little bit controversial. I don't think I'm having a bachelorette party. I don't think I'm having that. The tradition here in Holland is for you to kind of walk around the streets in a penis suit.
Are you serious? That's a tradition?
Yeah, you put on a suit that is the shape of a penis and you walk the streets and you get drunk. I don't feel like that's my calling. Oh, my proposal story. It's a fun one. Whenever I go on a vacation, I always try to get one perfect photo for the gram, you know. Dylan and myself went to a vacation in Italy. There was this one restaurant inside of a cave, and the place was gorgeous. I mean, it was a beautiful summer day, and after a while, I feel like we got it. And he's like, do you mind taking a picture of me? And I'm like, okay, Mr. Influencer himself, okay, change of scenery. So I turned back around, and before I noticed, he was on one knee. The first thing I said was, are you sure? It's like, really? With me? I'm on cloud 9, living my best life. I'm like, oh my God, I'm engaged. And then the waiter comes over and I'm like, look, I just got engaged. And she literally goes, that's correct. And then because we were in a cave, there was no connection. We couldn't call anyone. We couldn't text anyone. So it was great to really, celebrate that moment with each other, just the two of us. So it's a moment out. Of course, never forget. Which part of my wedding day am I most excited about? I am looking forward towards putting that ring on and kissing each other and knowing that is what just sealed the deal. This is the ring right here. I think it's the perfect ring for me. It completely matched what I love. He has good taste. He knows what his lady loves. I'm also really looking forward to the food. Oh my God. This wedding is gonna be surrounded by food. I think our theme is food. I might just pull up in a Lady Gaga meat dress. But we love food so much. So of course we have to give our guests the best of the best. Okay, so in the Netherlands, you have typical Dutch snacks. You have the frikandel, you have the croquettes, you have the kaas soufflé. Amazing fried sort of snacks. And they're typical Dutch. And you can serve the best food of the world, but people will go nuts for a febo-muur. If you're not Dutch, you're not gonna know what it is, but it's like a wall that you can get snacks out of. At the very end of our wedding, we're gonna have a febo-muur. It's brilliant. I am working on a wedding registry. What's funny is the dress that I'm working on is pushing the budget a little bit, and by a little bit I mean a lot. So my invite is literally going to say, please think of scented candles and or some money, because the budget got pushed by a lot. So everything is welcome. If I get at least 2 scented candles, I'm happy. I feel like I'm going to get 50 scented candles, but it's fine. It's fine. What can I share about my dress? Well, first of all, look at me. It's not gonna be simple. It's gonna be a dress. It's gonna be shiny. It's gonna be glamorous. It's probably gonna be a lot for a lot of people out there, but that's when it's perfect for me. I had a designer and their budget was just no. So now we had to switch designers. A little bit of a time crunch, which incredible designer, incredible, and so honored that this designer even wants to do it for me. And we are working on sketches again. I felt like we went past that, but now we're back to the sketch. I decided to go custom because your girl is large and in charge. I'm 6'3". Basically, I can't find the craziness, the madness that is in my head. Like, I need someone to like physically create that for me because I'm a little cuckoo up in here. I'm sorry. You know, so much depends on the dress. I feel like it's the wedding. Well, it's not really, but like the wedding and the dress. It's like up there at the same time. And just creating a dress from scratch, it's not been easy. We don't have the most time left. This dress will be seen by the world.